Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing a brand new trick for Android users in how to completely delete your incognito browser history on Chrome. Yes, even though incognito mode doesn't save your usual history, some residual DNS data can still stick around. And I'm going to show you the fastest way to wipe it clean in just a few taps. First, open Chrome on your Android device. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select New Incognito tab. Once you're in incognito mode, in the address bar, type the exact URL I'm showing on the screen. This will take you to a hidden Chrome page that lists technical data about your browser's DNS cache. Think of it as Chrome's behind-the-scenes memory of the websites you visited. Next, tap the menu icon on the left where it says DNS. Here, you'll see an option labeled Clear Host Cache. Simply press that button and Chrome will erase all residual DNS information from your incognito sessions. That's it. Your incognito history is now completely wiped, leaving no leftover traces behind. This trick is especially useful if you're cautious about privacy or just want to make sure your browsing stays completely clean. And the best part, it only takes a few seconds. No extra apps, no complicated settings, just a clean, simple process built right into Chrome. And that's how you delete incognito browser history on Android. If you found this trick useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips that actually work. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.